SafetyWing, and today is Saturday the 5th of October, 2:10 PM, and today I'll be bringing you a video from the Pai Saturday market. So for that video, click here. I know it won't be there yet, so I'll give myself some more work to do. This will be uploaded, as in the click box, as soon as I can. I believe my iPad I will try if I can, but the operating system I believe may be the same, or is the same as the iOS on the phone. Sorry, not iOS, operating system, phone. What I'm saying is I think I may need a computer to put this here. Okay, it will be there as soon as it can be. The video, however, will be uploaded as soon as I get there and film. It won't be a live, it will be just a video on my GoPro. Okay, now for today, or for this video, this is a news flash. News. And breaking news is power. Or lack of. We have no power. Power failure, power outage, blackout. There is no power. It's gone. The sun is our power. Solar lights, they were lit up when we came home last night. However, the rest of the forest was, as it should be, blackout. Now, I believe it could be song days in Pai, because I believe it's from what I've heard on the grapevine, a cable or pole has gone down in the storm, the rain, between Chiang Mai and Pai, and it's out. So we have no power in the tent or in the forest for that matter. So in town, by the police station, there is still power. Certain places have Wi-Fi that's still going. Obviously the Wi-Fi needs electricity to run, and which is also why our true SIM card, we have no hotspot to make from our phone. We have no internet on our phone in general, so we have no internet because of the power outage. It's not only power, it's internet, it's power, it's everything. Water, luckily we have water, we do have water. So we'll be heading in to charge and also upload. So for the uploads, they may be a delay, may not be able to come to you as fast as we should, but we'll come into you as fast as we can. So ants. For the ants video, we were under invasion. Were we under invasion, or did we invade them? Answers on a postcard, please. For that video, click here. That will also be uploaded ASAP, and obviously that will be a updating to see exactly what's happened. But I will say, when I came back last night in the dark, there was or still is when I look up there, I would say it's been a funeral, it's been a cremation, because while I was away someone's been in and sprayed them where they were in their new attack route, because I disconnected the final cable, which they weren't using until it was the final cable. Then they used it, I disconnected it, and the well, the sheeting that we're using as a sun block, as that came down, they must have obviously come onto the wood at the front here, and they trying to invade through the front. So someone, while I was away, has come, sprayed and also there, yes, and up there. So basically there's just dead ants everywhere. I can't or won't kill anything, another living creature, even an ant. I brush them off. That's what I do. I get a brush and I sweep. I try and avoid squashing. I will lay chalk down. When the area is clean, I put chalk down, because then they shouldn't come across the chalk. That's the idea. I don't like, well, the cable I obviously undid. They come on my hands, I'd knock them off. So yes, we will come back to you with the ants. That's enough on the ants. Now, the last topic, I believe, is the water levels. The water level in Pai. Now that has been rising. So we can show you the water level here behind us, as that is very high now, and then at a low we'll have to show you it at a low. I believe I have it on film at a low. I'm sure I do. I'll find it and put it up to compare. But it is a big difference, say 5-6 foot, I'd say. It seems like that, at least to me, from here now, looking at you. Okay. So I will take you now to look at the water. Let's go. One more point. I just remembered. A shout out to James Khopkhunkhap for the early comment on the last video. I was in Reggae Pai, uploaded, and then trying to upload to, I believe it's Instagram, a short, and then failed. I saw the Yo G, so Khopkhunkhap, Yo James, and yes, we had a complete power outage in there as well. Reggae Pai, the lights went out, power went out, phone went dead, and yes, since then I have no electricity. Well, not electricity, I mean no internet or electricity. I've charged my phone for a power bank. However, I now need to go in again as it's almost out. Okay, so Khopkhunkhap. I will see you all in, I was going to say the next video, but I'm taking to see the water, aren't I? This has been the news, so yes, I will now take you to see the water. Let's go. Okay, and here we are by the nearest water mass to me. Now this measure, I'm not sure exactly, I don't know where the bottom is exactly. I would say at least 6 foot lower, at least. Look at the bamboo. It is right on that darker piece down there. Grey. See the height, see how far we have left. But I have the high ground, so hopefully we won't be getting that high. watching. Please like, share and subscribe as it helps the channel to grow. And I'll see you all at the Pai Saturday market. Khopkhunkhap. Okay, now take a look at the water level here. A while ago, a few months back, there was a bridge from there to here and the wind blew it down and the water is rising. Okay, catch you on the next video. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. Khopkhunkhap.